Welcome to SafeFleet's virtual trade show, featuring Seon's industry-leading surveillance systems and newest safety technology. With SafeFleet's dedication to delivering the highest standards of fleet and safety solutions, here's a sneak peek of some of the new and exciting products for 2020. SafeFleet has a new product launch. Aaron, can you tell us more?
It's an automated tool that allows drivers to automatically do their pre- and post-trip vehicle inspections.
Can you show us how the driver would use it?
Yeah, so this is the tablet that the driver would use for the inspection. So they take the tablet, they sign in with their own individual ID, they scan the vehicle, then they take the tablet around the vehicle. It uses GPS coding to show where they are on the vehicle. They answer a few questions, they take a few pictures, then it uploads it up into the system and the inspection is complete.
Are the forms customizable to suit different kinds of vehicles?
Yeah, you can customize it for your school buses, for your white fleet vehicles, any vehicles that you have in your fleet. We are able to customize the forms to use it with that application.
For more information, ask your sales representative for a demonstration. Coming soon to SafeFleet is Evidence Manager. Joy, can you give us a sneak peek?
Sure, thanks Rebecca. Evidence Manager is actually the next generation of video playback software, and it's geared towards more of the advanced users wanting to take their video management to the next level. So the good news for those advanced users or existing customers is that the new Evidence Manager will be backwards compatible with the existing camera systems that they already have on the fleet. So they can now take their existing systems and take them to the next level of technology.
That's great to hear. And what are some of the advanced features that come with Evidence Manager?
So one of the biggest features that folks are going to be really excited about is that it takes facial blurring, or what we did for blurring historically on our existing playback software. It takes it to another level in the sense that you're now able to blur out faces for the entire duration of the video. So it's going to save the folks or the video users a tremendous amount of time in that they're not having to make multiple short little video clips to get that blurring effect. They can now blur everything out from start to finish, or at least the areas that they want to be able to blur. So that's the most exciting part of it for now.
We look forward to hearing more about Evidence Manager. For more information on any of SafeFleet and Seon products, contact your sales representative or find us on our website.